Good morning, students. We are doing chapter number 18, that is price rise and consumer awareness. This is part 4, and till part 3, we had seen various things like rights of consumer, then who is consumer, then what are the malpractices or wrong things that are done with the consumer, and all those things. Now we'll move forward and study about the duties of consumer. As we have rights, you know that rights and duties are equal and opposite, okay? As we have rights for something, it's also there are various duties as a consumer. Okay, so we'll see about the duties of consumer. Yes, now this is a third part, that is duties of consumer. Previous second part was about the right of consumer, okay, and some legislation related to consumer services was the first part. So this is about the duties of consumer. As a consumer are cautious about their rights, in the same way they should also reflect towards their responsibilities or duties also. As I told you, rights and duties are equal and opposite. While purchasing a commodity or service, consumers should make the correct choice. At the time of purchasing a product, consumers should purchase the product having good quality, reasonable price, guarantee or warranty, after sales service. He should purchase the goods having standards like BIS, ISF, or ECMARC. While purchasing an electrical or electronic gadget, priority should be given to the purchase of standard or branded items only. See, now this is what about the purchasing power, okay? Though we say that we cannot afford extremely high-fi product, that is very true, but that doesn't mean you should go for duplicate product or extremely cheap product which may cause harm to us in future. Okay, so while purchasing a commodity or service, we should take care that at least we are purchasing a proper standard product. Okay, standard तो हम maintain कर ही सकते हैं, ठीक है. If we go for cheaper thing, then ultimately we only have to face the result. So here are some of the example game like BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standard, then ISI or ECMARC. Okay, various thing को ये mark को दिए जाते हैं because they proves that this is a standard product. So we should try that we do try to purchase the product which has standard quality. Okay, then comes at the time of purchasing a product, from many product choices has to be made. While choosing a product, they should have all the information. They should check the label and the information given in the advertisement and ensures themselves like discreet or aware consumer. As a consumer, his decision and behavior should be wise, intelligent, calculative, bearing a common sense, so that he may be protected against exploitation and cheating. Okay, so what is this? While purchasing product, a consumer should make a choice that have all the information. Okay, अगर आप कुछ चीज़ खरीद रहे हो, then you should have number of information regarding the product, that what is the required guarantee or warranty, or what are the precautions to be taken. एक टेम्परेचर किसी किसी चीज़ में एक्सट्रीम यू हैव टू मेंटेन टेम्परेचर, और यू फॉर एग्जांपल टेक अ आयरन. ओके, वहाँ पे फॉर कॉटन क्लोथ, फॉर सिल्क क्लोथ, सबके लिए एक टेम्परेचर दिया जाता है. सो इट इज़ योर ड्यूटी दैट आप वो चीज़ देख के ख़रीदो, टाइम से ख़रीदो, और उसको अपने कपड़े के हिसाब से उसको मेंटेन करो. अदरवाइज इफ़ यू आर नॉट डूइंग द थिंग, यू आर कीपिंग आयरन एक्सट्रीमली एट हॉट टेम्परेचर, एंड इफ़ यू फॉरगॉट टू स्विच ऑफ, देन हुज responsibility would it be? It would be yours only, that because of your mistake the thing has damage. Okay, that is while after you have purchased, but while purchasing also you have to make a choice that मैं ऐसी कोई चीज़ खरीदूँ जो मुझे सिक्योरिटी देती है. Third comes, it is a duty of consumer that his product or behavior towards a seller or producer should be gentle and bona fide. Yes, it is a duty of consumer that his behavior towards a seller should be gentle. As we expect respect from seller, that he should sell the product without shouting on us. So in the same way, it is also duty of consumer that to behave gently with the seller. Yes. Fourth point is a consumer should insist on having original bill or original receipt of item or service purchased by him. He should also insist on getting warranty card filled. Signature of seller should be there along with stamp. Yes, this is a common thing. We all know that whenever we purchase a thing, we should always get original bill. If at all कुछ आगे जाके problem होती है, if at all we have original bill, then only we can claim for something. और अगर वारंटी कार्ड है तो वहाँ पे सेलर की सिग्नेचर अलॉन्ग विथ स्टैम्प होनी चाहिए. Fifth, a consumer should together and form voluntary organization or association at non-political and non-commercial level, and with the help of this organization they should be ready to give a legal fight for a solution of problem related to consumers complaint. They should also ask for representation in different government committees related to consumers. See, now this is about making a union and fighting if at all something is going wrong. So it is a duty of consumer that he should fight against exploitation. See, now it is a duty of consumer that he should fight against exploitation. Is if you feel that something is getting wrong or something wrong had happened not only to you or to a group of person, आपको पता है तो you should always support a group or that person. और अगर वो नहीं तो आप इंडिविजुअली अपने लिए फाइट करनी चाहिए. It is our duty that we should get a right product. ठीक है. Next comes consumer should make verbal or written complaint to the officer of a related department without fail. They should also take cooperation of consumer organization and different non-profitable institution in order to provide or eliminate complaints related to wide interest of consumers. So he should contact a related department, मतलब officer of related department, and should make a timely complaint. Seventh, while purchasing a product, a consumer should not make any compromise with quality of product or its safety. Now see, this is very important, its safety. Okay, safety के साथ कभी भी compromise करना चाहिए नहीं, because ultimately it's about our life. Okay, whether it is a eatable product or non-eatable product, then too it is about our life. If at all they are selling something which will ultimately cause damage to us, then who is responsible for that? ऑफ कोर्स कंपनी इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बट अगर हमें पता है फिर भी हम अगर ऐसी चीज़ खाते हैं देन वी आर ऑल्सो से इक्वली रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सो ही शुड ऑलवेज इंसिस्ट ऑन परचेसिंग अ प्रोडक्ट आफ्टर चेकिंग पैकिंग रेट, डेट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चर, बैच नंबर, वेट, एक्सपायरी डेट, नेम ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर, एड्रेसेस. ये सब हमें ध्यान में रख के परचेस करना चाहिए. ऑफ कोर्स ऑल दिस थिंग्स तो हमें बहुत सी याद नहीं रहती, बट स्पेशली वी शुड चेकिंग डेट हमें देख के लेना चाहिए कि उसकी एक्सपायरी डेट क्या है और कब ये मैन्युफैक्चर हुआ है. नेक्स्ट कम्स while purchasing a product, if a consumer finds that the product is adulterated or duplicate or fake or finds decrease in weight, he should immediately bring it to the notice of trader. And if the trader delays in bringing solution, he should give an application to the authorities or consumer court asking for redressal. Thus, consumer should perform his duty as a responsible citizen. Consumer should purchase a product in sufficient quantity or number only. He should save himself from purchasing unwanted and unnecessary products by getting attracted from the advertisement or by seeing others or from sale. He should not waste money. जितनी ज़रूरत है उतना ही खरीदो. Because Virat Kohli is doing some ad, we should not get lured by that. Okay, वो कर रहा है मतलब ये अच्छी होगी और ज़रूरत नहीं है फिर भी उसको खरीद लिया, then it is just a waste of money. Okay, so don't go for such things. If at all you require a thing and if at all it's a genuine you can say standard product, then you should purchase. 10th comes while purchasing, weighing scale, implement of measurement, electronic instrument must be checked whether they are correct or not. Many times हम जो weight होता है, weighing machine होता है, उसको check करना भूल जाते हैं और इससे हमें काफ़ी you can say it's a great loss to us because quantity which we get is not as per the shown scale. The consumer should make sure whether the tools of measurement have been tested and verified by an investigation officer or not. If the tools have not been certified every year, the consumer should bring it to the notice of weight and measurement officer, Director of Legal Metrology and Consumer Affairs at local level, and if required he should complain. दिस इज़ अ ड्यूटी ऑफ विजिलेंट एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल कंज्यूमर. अगर आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे मेजरमेंट में कुछ गड़बड़ी हो रही है, अगर आपने वो नायक पिक्चर देखी होगी अनिल कपूर की, तो इन दैट दे हैव शोन दैट हाउ दिस सेलर दे विल जस्ट मेक द यूटेंसिल्स लाइक it will not give you exact amount of quantity or they will put a magnet over there. These are the things which they do. 11th, the seal of gas cylinder should always be checked, very necessary, whether it is intact or not. Taxi or rickshaw should be boarded after checking the zero reading on the meter. We should pay as per the rate of the meter. Yes, zero. मुंबई में गए होगा तो आपको पता होगा, हमारे यहाँ तो इन भावनगर वी डोंट हैव सच सिस्टम लाइक सीइंग द जीरो और मीटर पे चलती नहीं है. बट इन मुंबई एंड इन वेरियस बिग सिटीज़ द रिक्शा इज मीटर के हिसाब से चलती है. एंड यू शुड ऑलवेज चेक दैट वेन एवर रिक्शा इज स्टार्टेड इट शुड शो यू ज़ीरो. Petrol, diesel or CNG should be filled after checking the indicator of zero. While purchasing kerosene, one should insist on purchasing only after the form in the measuring can has been settled down completely. The weighing should be done on the scale on which it is hung or its stand. When scale is held in hand, the chances of cheating are more. Yes, तराजू हम जो कहते हैं, अगर वो हमारे हाथ में है तो इट इज़ नंबर ऑफ चांसेस आर दैट वी विल जस्ट मेक इट टर्न ऑन सम अदर साइड. 12th, the consumer should either himself go to the consumer forum or should complain through consumer society against the negligence in the improvement of railway, bank, insurance, telephone or hospital services, or for the compensation of physical, mental or economical harm due to lack of services. A consumer should give a detail of news of judgment and compensation received on local TV channels and it get published in newspapers so that the other consumer may also know about the injustice done to him. Yes, कई बार they do not get right service और इसकी अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो they should go on local TVs और सबको अवेयर करना चाहिए that see this person or this institution is not working as per the legal norms. So everyone will get aware about that. When informing about the judgment, they should be prevented from being victimized. Thus, it is also responsibility to bring consumer awareness and work of consumer education participate. 13, that is last. The consumer should participate enthusiastically in different consumer awareness program or movement arranged by consumer society discussion or seminars. ऐसे सब seminars हो या कोई society में ऐसा कुछ discussion हो तो we should take part. Thus, try to give a thrust to the movement of consumer protection in the society. You should give मतलब all should get encouraged to take part in consumer awareness program. Next comes measures of consumer protection. Now see measures of consumer protection. These are done at various levels. So हम वो पढ़ने वाले हैं. First is 3 tier, that is tribunal code. Under the National Consumer Protection Act 1986, Central Consumer Protection Council, that is National Consumer Commission, has been set up. Similarly, the State Commission Forum has been set up at the state level. Under this commission, laws and consumer protection are framed. National Consumer District Commission has been created in structure of 3 trial code and frame norms for the actions of consumer forum or commissions. So first is district forum. Now district forum में क्या होता है, you can claim up to 20 lakh का claim है तो वो केस कहाँ पे जाएगा, district forum में जाएगा. Okay, so generally there is one court in every district which is very important court. In the study, it studies the complaint of consumer and gives compensation to the consumer against loss. Okay, approximately 571 consumer district forums are working in our country. In this court, presently the claim of compensation up to 20 lakh is filed after paying the decided fees. एक registration fees pay करके कहाँ तक का claim है यहाँ पे जाता है 20 lakh तक का. If at all a claim is more than 20 lakh, then that case will be transferred to state forum. Okay, if the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of district forum, he may file a complaint at state commission within 30 days. आप सबको पता है how it works, that at taluka level, then at district level, then at state level, and then at national level. If at all we are not satisfied with the judgment of High Court, we can go to Supreme Court. In the same way, if at all we are not satisfied with the decision of district court, we may go for state commission. But before that, he has to pay either 50% of amount of compensation claim or 25,000 whichever is less. आपके compensation का 50% of amount आपको भरना पड़ेगा या 25,000 जो भी कम है वो. Next comes state commission. See, approximately 35 state forums are there. Then in this code, presently claims up to rupees 20 lakh and 1 crore are filed after paying the decided fees. More than 20 lakh, less than 1 crore, you can say except 20 lakh and 1 crore. If a petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of state commission, he may file a complaint in national commission within next 30 days. Although he has to pay either 50% of amount of compensation or 35,000 whichever is less. Same as district forum, but यहाँ पे 35,000 है, वहाँ पे 25,000 था. Last comes National Commission. Compensation above 1 crore could be made here by paying a decided fees. आपको जो भी फीस, अगर आप केस वहाँ पे डाल रहे हो तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू पे द फीस, एंड इफ एट ऑल योर अमाउंट इज अबव 1 crore then that case will go to National Commission. This commission is bench of 5 members. State Commission and the National Commissioner should give the decision as early as possible or within 90 days of filing a case. इसका रूल है कि within 90 days you should get a decision. If a petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of National Commission, he may file a case in Supreme Court within 30 days. But before appealing, it is compulsory to deposit 50% of the compensation amount of 50,000, whichever is less. If a person does not comply the order given by any court, he could be given punishment or penalty or both of them. अगर आप केस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डाल रहे हो तो वॉट एवर, मतलब आपको 50,000 पे करना पड़ेगा या 50% ऑफ द कंपनसेशन अमाउंट विच एवर इज लेस. एंड इफ अ पर्सन डज नॉट कंप्लाई द ऑर्डर गिवन बाय कोर्ट देन उसको पनिशमेंट हो सकती है. पीपल बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन, सीनियर सिटीजन, हैंडीकैप आर एक्सेप्टेड फ्रॉम पेइंग द फीस अंडर सर्टन कंडीशन. दे आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडेड फ्री सर्विस आफ्टर डिस्ट्रिक्ट फ्री लीगल सर्विस गाइडेंस ऑफ लीगल एड एंड एडवोकेट. ओके, इस हिसाब से उनको फ्री सर्विस दी जाती है. सो विल स्टॉप इट ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट थिंग विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.